Welcome back to Buy Right, Sell Right. In our last episode, we explored how AI can automate the ERP process, vendor shortlisting and comparisons. But that was just the beginning. Today, we are taking on an even tougher challenge using AI to streamline ERP implementations. ERP implementations is where most projects face delays, unexpected gaps, and budget overruns. What if AI could help us analyze requirement, validate customizations, ensure compliance, and optimize our integrations before issues even arise? In this episode, I will demonstrate how a free tool from Google, NotepadLLM, can transform ERP implementation, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient. We'll go through 5 key use cases that tackle some of the biggest challenges in ERP rollouts. Let's get started. Before we dive into AI-driven ERP implementation, let's take a quick look at the key documents we will be using. These are backbone for any ERP project, and by using AI, we will be going to see how we can process them faster and more effectively. BRD, business requirement document, which captures business needs and expectations. Functional requirement document, more often it is the would-be process of the project. It may have gaps identified. User manuals provided by ERP vendor to how the system works. These are standard functionalities of the product. Stakeholder response. So these are raw inputs from business users, which has been collected, questions been asked, the response has been collected, and we'll use that as well. We'll be uploading this into NoteLM, and using AI, we'll analyze the gaps, validate the requirements, and streamline the implementation process. Let's see how it works. So this is how NoteLM look, right? So you could add different sources. So as I said, we have added those documents. You can have uploaded through Google Drive. You can have some website links provided if your user manuals are on website. You can have some YouTube videos being added to this as well, or copy paste text and notes, whatever you want. So it can analyze audio recordings for you as well. We'll go with the first use case, which is gap analysis. One of the biggest ERP challenges is identifying gaps between business needs and standard ERP functionalities. Traditionally, this task can take weeks of discussion and manual comparison, but with AI, we can automate this instantly. NotepadLM compares the business requirement document against standard ERP functionalities and highlight the gaps in seconds. Standard ERP functionalities can be taken out from user manuals provided by your OEM. Instead of manually identifying missing functionalities, AI can generate specific questions for stakeholders to confirm if customizations are really needed. We can even leverage industry best practices to minimize unnecessary customizations, saving time and cost. At the end, the result is faster data-driven decisions on customizations and process changes. We all know customizations can make or break an ERP project. Too many customizations increase the cost, complexity, and the risk. AI can help prioritize what truly needs to be customized. AI categorize each customization request into essentials, avoidable, or replaceable with standard features. It also analyzes technical dependencies, showing how each customization impact integrations. It assesses risk, helping project team make informed decisions on what should be customized and what should be standardized. Results: reduced unnecessary customization, ensures long-term ERP maintainability. Another critical aspect while implementing ERP is to ensure compliance. Manufacturing ERP must align with compliance standards based on industry. For example, we are using aerospace component. So for them, AS 9100 is a compliance. Manual validation is slow and prone to errors, but AI can automate this. AI, for example, can review quality management requirements against compliance frameworks and industry best practices. It identifies missing or vague requirements and suggests improvements. We can also use AI product to even auto-generate test cases, ensuring compliance from day one. Stronger compliance, reduced audit risk, and a more robust ERP solution. Every organization can have integration requirements. In our use case for today, we have an aerospace component manufacturer. For them, shop floor integration with ERP is critical. Capturing data from machines, sensors, and IoT device is complex, but AI can simplify the process for you. It can analyze integration requirements and lists every data point that need to be captured. See, storage needs and business impact, which usually takes weeks of manual effort, by the way. AI can even auto-generate a system interface specification, reduce documentation workloads on IT teams. As a result, we get a faster, cleaner integration planning and improved real-time data tracking. Everybody knows this. Keeping ERP documentation up to date is a nightmare, but AI can automate this for you, ensuring documentation evolves with the project. We can use AI to review user stories, generate missing scenarios based on real world manufacturing challenges. It can create acceptance criteria of new test cases. It ensures thorough validation. It can also build a traceability matrix, mapping each requirement to its implementation, making audits and reviews much easier. At the end of the day, you get better documentation, reduced manual effort, and improved project transparency. One last example on how fast an AI tool can prepare your business process flow diagrams. So reading all those documents, the finalized business requirement document, FRD, you can just upload it and say, okay, I want a BPM and diagrams for a particular flow, and it creates one for you on a fly. Right? That's the power we are looking at. Let's look at what we just accomplished with using this tool in minutes. What typically takes weeks. We updated and validated requirements documentation. We enhanced our test scenarios for better compliance and risk management. We had a clearer integration and customization planning, and we also reduced the risk and cost of implementation. That's the power of AI. And this is a free tool by Google, by the way. And I genuinely feel this can change the way ERP implementation are done today, making them faster, smarter, and more efficient. I'll come with another video on AI and how it can enhance our day-to-day living. Thank you for watching.